Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily factory reset your Pocketbook Inkpad Color. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to apps and now go to settings. Here, go over to maintenance and now click on factory reset. Here, as you guys can see, we have a warning that this will return the device to the factory settings and it will include everything. So if you want to proceed, then simply click continue. And now what you need to do is wait for it to reset. As you guys can see, now it's factory resetted and now we're back at the setup. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.